right. I was heartbroken over that bonus, but look, here we go. We're going back in. What's crazy is this won't even be a short. Oh, but it could be if a green one comes out or a blue one. That is crazy. That is awesome. Oh, that I've never gotten a 5-cent rando like that. That's crazy. Wow, that is nuts. Wow, wow, wow. Looky there, that is wild. We'll take that. Run that for a little jackpot. That is nuts. This was supposed to be a short, and it turned into a full-on situation. Wow. Wow. We were just wondering, like, how are we going to go about navigating the rest of this? And then it came to this. Wow. That is incredible. Wow. 1,400 on that. Wow. Oh, that last one took a little bit. That was weird. Wow, wow, wow. We'll take it. And the jackpot. That works. That's awesome.